And all. My name is K. Satvik. I am from 8th IIT2. Today my seminar topic is mental health awareness. Mental health awareness is just like physical health. We should need to care it. A happy mind makes a happy life. So because physical life is important, mental health is also important. So we need to care it. If you have any, today I am dividing this into two parts: disadvantages and advantages of mental health. First, I am saying about the disadvantages. It will be cause some poor struggles. Every four individuals, one have mental illness. So please don't become a mental awareness person. So we now I am going to say the advantages. The advantages will be, if you, mental health is crucial in today's society. Also, a happy mind makes a happy life. This helps where a life helps to a man. A happy mind makes always a happy life. Mental health is just like a physical health. Yet stigma and all members has one. Every poor one member has poor struggles with mental health. This will cause by the, if you have mental health, you need to care it. You need to go to outside, like doing meditation. Being kind also helps our mental health. This helps our health. So please aware the mental health. Mental health is just like physical health. I'm saying this, don't be attract to the mental health. So please don't attract with the mental health. Mental health is important in today's life. Mental health is crucial in today's society. So mental health, a happy mind makes happy life. Physical health always importance a man. A man is always, being kind helps our mental health. So please don't be unaware of mobiles. Seeing mobiles also can cause depression and poor struggles. Mental health, if you have any mental health struggles, the indications will be like you cannot sleep, or else you cannot do anything. You will feel lazy. That things all is warning of mental health. So please being aware. Also, seeing reels, mobile causes a mental health. This will be used as uh, poor struggle. So please unaware of the mental health. Mental mental health is just as like a poor struggle. So please don't unaware of mental health. This will be caused by the mobile, seeing reels. Also, if you have any dogs, please play with at least daily 1 minute. This will also helps your mind. A happy mind always makes a happy life. A happy life helps a person. Also, education is important for our mental health. Education is very important. If you have mental health can also help in the decision making. If you have any decision, please take in your own. Don't ask any member. You can only take the decisions. So don't ask other members. That is my suggestion. I am giving to you. This will be caused by the seeing reels and such as YouTube shorts, videos, and crucial in today's society. This will be used as at stigma, and so many members have, in every four members, one member have poor struggles. So please being aware of mental health. I am saying this twice because mental health is crucial in today's life. So please being unaware of it. Physical health is just like mental health. You need to unaware of this. This will be used as your mental health. So please don't use it. I'm saying you twice. Again I'm saying, because mental health is very important in your life. Education is also important. So please study. Education also helps in your mental health. So I am saying this twice. This will be used in also mental health. So please being unaware of it. This will be used as mental health awareness. I'm giving these suggestions. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.